the light of frequency, so this is frequency 5 into 10 to the power 14 hertz, liberates electron with energy 2.31 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule from a certain metallic surface. So what is the wavelength of ultraviolet light? So we have to calculate lambda, which liberates electron, again energy is given 8.93 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule from the same metal surface and given. So c, velocity of light is given and Planck's constant is given. Okay, so frequency, first frequency f1 is given, so that is 5.0 into 10 to the power 14 hertz. It liberates an electron with energy. So this is the energy of photoelectron. That means we can write kinetic energy. So kinetic energy E1 is equals to 2.31 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule. Since it says the liberates electron with energy, so that is the kinetic energy. Again, liberates electron of energy. So next, second kinetic energy E2 will be equals to 8.93 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule. So we have to calculate the wavelength lambda equals to what? Since so the two energy are given, so we have to make two equations. So we know, so energy of photon will be equals to work function plus kinetic energy of photoelectron. So that will be, we can write energy of photon, that will be HF will be equals to phi plus, in place of energy we can write E1. So this will be HF1 equals to phi plus E1. Just write this as equation 1. Similarly, for second energy, HF2 will be equals to phi plus E2. So this will be equation 2. Now subtracting equation 2 from 1 we get, so our new equation will be E2 minus E1, phi it gets cancelled, so HF2 minus HF1, or E2 minus E1 will be equals to F2 minus F1, or F2 minus F1 will be equals to E2 minus E1 by H. So F2 minus, in place of F1 we can write 5.0 into 10 to the power 14 will be equals to E2, it is given as 8.93 into 10 to the power minus 19 minus 2.31 into 10 to the power minus 19 divided by H. So that is a Planck's constant, 6.62 into 10 to the power minus 34. So that will be joule second. So F2, if we solve this value, we will get F2 will be equals to 15 into 10 to the power 14 hertz. So this is the frequency. So we have to calculate wavelength. So as we know, again C will be equals to lambda F. So lambda to F2. So that will be lambda 2 will be equals to C by F2. So that will be 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second divided by, so frequency that will be 15 into 10 to the power 14 hertz, or we can write as second. Inverse of time is hertz. So that will be 2 into 10 to the power minus 7 meter. So this is our final answer.